Hello guys, what's up, what's up? So Ivan upon the Cars Las Marinos guys, and for today's video, check natin tong Honda City S natin. SRP guys, 998,000. So headlight natin guys, wala siyang fog light, pero may abang na siya dito, which is pwede mong palagyan yan. So naka-halogen yung headlight niya, may daytime running light. So kahit guys entry level to guys, meron siyang Honda sensing natin. So added safety features ni Honda. So naka 15 yung size ng mags natin, and naka disc brake. And sa likod naman, and dito naman sa likod, naka drum brake. So wali naka keyless na rin to guys. And sa interior natin, hindi siya naka auto folding, naka manual to, naka fabric seats lang siya. So ito guys yung interior ni Honda City S natin. So naka wireless Android Auto and Auto CarPlay to guys. So may power outlet dito. So halos same lang naman siya ng interior ng City top of the line natin. So dito lang sa kanya is white, which is top of the line natin is red yan. So ito yung steering wheel natin, audio controls, and dito yung mga Honda sensing natin buttons. So, sa interior naman guys, white yung interior ni CTS natin. So pag entry level talaga guys, white talaga interior niya. So pag top of the line naman is black yung interior niya. So dito naman guys, transmission natin, meron siyang sports mode. So meron din tayong econ mode. Naka push start button na rin to. So bali 4 speaker rin yan guys, 1, 2, tapos 3 and 4. So bali wala siyang tweeter guys. So kahit na wala siyang tweeter, quality pa rin yung audio natin.